Hello, I'm Emma. Let me ask you something very honestly. Can you understand English, but when you try to speak, your mouth stops? Your mind knows the words, but your voice does not come out. If yes, you are not weak. You are not stupid. You are just practicing in the wrong way. And today, I will help you fix this. Welcome to Easy English Zone. I am very happy you're here. This lesson is not about grammar rules. This lesson is not about big words. This lesson is about confidence. Yes, speaking English confidently. And I promise you one thing. If you stay with me till the end of this video, you will feel better about your English. You will feel lighter. You will feel more confident. So relax, sit comfortably, and let's start. First, let me tell you a secret. Confidence does not come from perfect English. Confidence comes from practice. Even native speakers make mistakes, but they still speak. You know why? Because they do not stop themselves. And today, you will learn how to stop stopping yourself. Let's start very simple. Say this sentence in your mind. I am learning English. Very easy, very simple. Now say it again. I am learning English. Good. This one sentence is powerful because it is true. Now, let's build confidence step by step. Step 1, speak about now. Right now, you can say, I am watching this video. I am listening carefully. I am practicing English. These are real sentences. These are daily life sentences. Let's practice together. I will say a sentence, you repeat in your mind, or quietly with your lips. I am watching a video. Good. I am learning English. Nice. I am trying to speak better. Perfect. See, nothing difficult. Now, let's move to very small daily conversations. Imagine someone asks you, how are you? Many learners freeze here, but you don't need long answers. You can say, I am fine. I am good. I am okay. That's it. Let's practice. Person A, how are you? Person B, I am good. Again. Person A, how are you? Person B, I am fine. Simple, clear, confident. Confidence is not about long sentences. Confidence is about clear sentences. Now, let's talk about introducing yourself. You don't need a speech. You don't need pressure. You can say, my name is Emma, or my name is James. That's enough. Now, combine. Hello, my name is Emma. Hi, my name is James. Very nice. Let's add one more line. I am learning English. Now you have a full introduction. Hello, my name is Emma. I am learning English. Beautiful. Now pause for a second. Do you feel how easy this is? This is how confidence starts. Now let's practice daily speaking. Imagine you meet someone every day. You can say, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Very normal, very useful. Then you can ask, how is your day? Easy answers. It is good, it is busy, it is okay. Let's practice a mini conversation. Person A, good morning. Person B, good morning. Person A, how is your day? Person B, it is good. That's real English. That's confident English. Now, I want to stop here for a short recap. So far, you practiced simple sentences, daily questions, easy answers, real conversations. And look, you are still here. That means you can do this. Now, let's go a little deeper. Many learners say, I am afraid of mistakes. Let me tell you something. Mistakes are your teachers. If you never make mistakes, you never learn. So today, give yourself permission to make mistakes. Say this sentence. It is okay to make mistakes. Say it again. It is okay to make mistakes. Good. Now, let's practice confidence sentences. These sentences help your mind. I can speak English. I am improving every day. I am not afraid to speak. Repeat slowly. I can speak English. Nice. I am improving every day. Very good. I am not afraid to speak. Excellent. Now, let's practice speaking about daily routine. You can say, I wake up early, I go to work, I study English, I watch videos, I sleep at night. Very simple life sentences. Let's connect them. I wake up early, I study English, I go to work. That's speaking. That's practice. Now, let's do a friendly conversation. Emma, hello. James, hi. Emma, how are you? James, I am good. And you? Emma, I am fine. James, what are you doing? Emma, I am learning English. James, that's great. Emma, yes, I like it. See? No pressure, no big grammar, just English. Now, I want you to practice after this video. But before that, let's do one more powerful exercise. Speaking in front of yourself. Yes, you. After this video, stand in front of a mirror, smile, and say, hello, my name is blank. I am learning English. I want to speak confidently. This may feel funny, but it works. Confidence grows when you hear your own voice. Now, let's move to the final part. Let me remind you something important. You do not need perfect English to speak confidently. You need practice, daily practice. Even 5 minutes a day is enough. Just speak. Just try. Now, let's do the final recap. Today, you learned confidence comes from practice, simple sentences are powerful, daily English is easy, you can speak English, and I am proud of you. Yes, you, because you stayed till the end. Now, I have a question for you. Please answer in the comments. What sentence do you want to say in English today? Write one simple sentence. For example, I am learning English with Easy English Zone. I will read your comments. If this video helped you, please like it. Subscribe to Easy English Zone for more easy, friendly English lessons. Share this video with a friend who is afraid to speak English. Thank you so much for learning with me today. Keep practicing, keep speaking, you are doing great. See you in the next lesson.